faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I woke up this morning and slay my hair, okay? Slay my hair and did a little something to my face.
Hi guys, good morning. I believe you just woke up and it was like this.
Yes, I woke up like this. I woke up like this. I wake up this morning and I deliberately slayed my face and take a shower. Can you say good morning to the faves?
Good morning.
Say good morning. You just want tea, right? Wait, sit tea here. Come. This boy love tea. It doesn't really matter what kind of tea I'm drinking, he wants it.
Everything that you drink.
Yeah, he wants it. Yeah. What? You guys, I woke up this morning and I deliberately slayed my hair and my face because today is a special occasion, as you guys see by the title of this video. Today is
anniversary.
Today is our 4 years anniversary. Yeah, it's our anniversary. Say happy anniversary. Mama and Papa. Thank you. Thank you, Tai. So today is our 4-year wedding anniversary. You guys, it literally feel like it was just yesterday we got married, don't babe? It feels like it was yesterday, and each and every day I fall in love more and more and more with this man. It's just unbelievable how much he makes me feel like a queen every day, and he makes me feel special every day. And I'm not just saying this because he's here and because he's mine and because today is our anniversary, but you guys want to understand how much this man means to me and how genuinely happy I am to be with him every single day of my life. I love you,
I love you.
and I'm looking forward to spend 400 more years with you. You're exposing me. See, you soon get boss. You soon get boss. So today's our anniversary, and babe took the day off from work so we can spend some time together. But we have anniversary. So we can spend some time together, and I am going to work, but I'm going to work way in the evening. So, and I'm working later than usual today. It's good that babe could take the day from work. Sit, Papa going to find bus for you. Babe could take the day from work so we could spend some time together, or else we would have to celebrate on the weekend or a different day. It's awesome that we can get to spend some time together before, some special time together before everything. But as usual, our tradition is that we exchange gifts every year, so we're going to do that now, and of course we're going to let you guys in on a little special moment of exchanging gifts. So you guys, we're gonna do our exchanging of gifts, and this is my gift for babe. So he doesn't know what it is, so he's about to open.
It looks like a shoes box.
Happy anniversary, my love.
Thank you. It looks like a shoes box.
Dun. Wait, I guess. What do you think it is?
I'm just saying it looks like a shoes box.
Stella, you want to help Papa open it? Help Papa open it. So you think it's a shoes?
Well, it looks like a shoes, but I'm sure it's not a shoes. Too obvious to be a shoes.
Open! Tear, baby, rip the thing open.
That's the heating messenger.
You're expecting that?
No, not at all.
Yes. So this was the store I was searching for.
But that's the little one we went.
Yes, so we found it, but I couldn't say no, babe, let's not go in there. So I let you go in there because you wanted to go in there to look for something for your mom, but that was the store I leave home with the intention to go to. So when we found it, it was when you said to me, honey, do you remember this store? And I said, yes, I found it. And then you said, want to go in there to look for something for your mom. I'm like, okay, that's not going to stop me from telling you let's not go in there. So, now my love, you have your daily massages, your nightly massages.
And you want,
Tyler.
I will be tired of this.
No, I know you can stop holding your neck like that and like this because now you have your own personal massage, whether you're in your car, whether you're at home, it's all yours, my love. Enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, what do you think I get you?
I have no idea, honestly.
What
I don't
do
even
you
know what your package look like. You want to show the babes what you got? Turn it around. That's a massage machine, you guys.
So that's my little gift for you.
Something gold?
I don't know what is it. No, it's the name of the store that name gold.
Yes, baby.
The name of the store name gold. Doesn't mean it's gold inside.
What is it?
I don't know.
And the box is light.
Ta-da.
I'm afraid to open it.
It's just a little baby gift. It's not the car of
Alright, you guys, you're gonna see it before me. Can you guys see it? Can I look?
and the right side is like this. But
So
I don't
show them like
think they're
this?
seeing it because they're far. You can go closer if you want.
You guys seen it? I can't see it from here. I'm scared to look. Can I look now?
Yeah, but are you scared?
What is it? A necklace or a bracelet?
You will see.
Oh, it's a chain.
Because I know you'll break yours.
Oh. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Can you do with the honors and put it on? Thank you, baby. Aww,
You like it?
I love it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
lunch out, and we got back home and rest up a little bit because I have to go to work in a few hours. Look at babe face, he just got out of bed. I've been up about 30 minutes or so before him. Lunch was good. We had a really good time, but I have something really cute to show you guys that my mom sent us for anniversary. I'm going to let babe reach for it and show you how cute it is. Mom sent us anniversary gift. It wouldn't break. This is our anniversary gift from my mom. If you look through it, it says soulmates Melissa and Ludo.
Soulmate here and Melissa and Ludo here.
So cute. So cute. So thank you, mama, if you're watching. We love it. And we got another gift. Another gift came while we were in bed. Jamaicans overseas going to be jealous when they see what is in this package right now. You guys, look what came in the mail. Woo!
Some food.
Christmas just get a little bit nicer. That's 6 huge tin of ackee babe ordered for me on Amazon, and babe love ackee. So it's about to go down this Christmas, you guys. We're going all out Jamaican this Christmas.
And it was fast to deliver.
Like in 3-4 days.
Yeah.
We're just going to go ahead and end today's vlog.
Into French expression.
Yes, what's the French expression for today?
The French expression for today will be
soulmate.
Hurt.
Heart. Okay.
Cœur. Cœur is hurt in English, so that's like in English you say cœur for the part, the part, the human being part that is here. You say my hurt, like you can call your other girl,
your other girl
or your boy. Your other
no, you can call your girl, not your other girl.
Yeah.
Say it properly.
So you can call your girl or your boy my hurt is like honey, or you can call my hurt. Yeah, it's the same thing. Say cœur. Say it.
Cœur.
Tyler?
Cœur.
Good job. So that's the French word.
Mon cœur.
Mon cœur. My hurt.
Yes. Oh, I'm your heart. Alright, guys, so there you have the French expression. Jamaica would say heart.
Heart.
They're not gonna say heart, we're gonna say heart.
Heart, like heart.
Say my heart a beat for you, na baby. That's how some Jamaican men look women when they trying to find some cheesy pickup line. They say my heart a beat for you, na baby.
My heart for you, yeah, baby.
Say my heart a beat for you.
A beat for you.
In a baby.
In a baby. My heart a beat for you, in a baby.
Yes. Means they really love you, or they really like you, or they're looking to strike up a conversation. They're looking some kind of interest.
And I see you, my heart a pim pum pum pum.
Yes. Alright, you guys, so there you have the Jamaican expression and the French expression. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright. And I'm sure you guys are going to tell us a lot of happy anniversary down below in the comment section. We're going to go ahead and say
thank you
in advance. We love you guys. Thank you. Every single one of you. We appreciate you guys. And we honestly don't have any stories to tell you guys about, no matter what, no matter all the fights and whatever, still be in love, because we honestly don't have huge fights to tell you guys about, what huge fights we have and all those things. So all we can say is that just love each other, love each other, love on each other. And if you guys ever feel any kind of way about feeling like each other is drifting and something is not right, don't be afraid to speak to each other. Sit down and have conversations. Don't have arguments, have conversations, have discussions, and listen, you'll have a happy marriage for the rest of your days. At least I can say for next 4 years, because we've been 4 years and it's been working, right, babe?
There's the limit, 4 years. After 4, it's not gonna work.
Really? Really? He's hilarious. Anyway, you guys, we're going to go ahead and tell you guys.
Bye.
Give this give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time watching. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys
tomorrow for sure.
Yeah. Tyler, say bye, Faves. Say bye, Faves.
My friends.
Can you look at them? Say bye, Faves.
My friends.